Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys, welcome back to another Dan Unplanned video. Today we're leaving the hotel in Dumfries and we're heading up to Glasgow because we are seeing a very special band tonight called Princess Goes to the Butterfly Museum. If you're familiar with Michael C. Hall, aka Dexter, that's who we're going to see tonight. But first let's check out this hotel and head on the road. Driving down this road, we're seeing this place called AE, which is just A, and it's the shortest place name in the UK. So we've decided on the way we're going to swing by and have a look at the Forest of A, which is a red squirrel conservation area. So we're going to go check that out right now. Let's go. Okay, we stopped along at A. It is bitterly cold and this is all I've got, like a hoodie. I'm wearing Crocs on my feet. It is way too cold to get out of the car. So we're just heading back towards Glasgow now. It was cool, but it was...
He doesn't come prepared. It's December, it's winter, it's Scotland, and he's got Crocs on and a hoodie and a cap.
Thought we'll just stop, head towards Glasgow, maybe see if we can check in the hotel early and have a look around. I might go and try and find a coat. I keep looking on eBay for like Rab, Haglofs, like adventure coats, cheap, but I think I'm just gonna have to buy a coat now because it is so cold. You can't even check the weather because the signal around here just doesn't work, and there's no way it's 4 degrees like this is saying. It is ice cold outside, seriously.
It's a fresh day, isn't it?
It is so cold. So we're heading back towards Glasgow, but we're heading towards Glasgow now, and we'll show you the drive on the way. Maybe get the drone up, we can get some nice views like this further down the road. Just stopped at the service station, use the toilet and stuff. I think an idea for a video, right, would be visit every service station in the UK and give it a review. I think last time I checked there's 1,100, but that would be an epic video. One oat milk latte acquired, back on the road now. This service is probably an 8 out of 10 on the views alone. But I am serious, I do want to do that, recording every services video. Just arrived in Glasgow now. We're looking for the car park where we can park for the hotel. It's been a beautiful drive coming up, the weather's been fantastic. It's cold as ass, but it's pretty sweet. Have a look at this building here.
In half a mile, turn left onto Hope Street.
Okay, we've arrived to the car park now. We're on level 4, just in case I need to watch this back to find out where we're parked. We're just going to walk to the hotel. Okay, we've just left H&M. It is cold as balls in Edinburgh.
Glasgow?
Okay, we've just left H&M. It is cold AF in Glasgow, so I've just picked up this nice little jacket from H&M. God, it's freezing. Just coming up to this bit of the square. This is probably one of the most famous things in Glasgow. I'll spin the camera around and show you now. So that guy with a cone on his head is famous. I don't know why, they always just put a cone on his head. We were just walking down to where the gig is tonight at a small little cafe, just to see how far it is from the hotel and see if the band are there sound checking or anything. It is freezing, man. Okay, this is the venue we're seeing the band at tonight. We're just sat outside now, we're gonna have a coffee Pam's getting a Disaronno and cranberry juice. But this is the place we're seeing them. Capacity is 74 people. That is pretty nuts. Okay, we're checked into the hotel now. Premier Inn plus room, which is pretty epic. Got everything on charge, little charging station. And then when we come back after the gig, I'm putting these Velcro strips on the back of iPad, MacBook, and all the little hard drives I've got, just so they can be easily stuck on. Check out this window, then I'll show you the room. This view is insane. Look at this. Pretty cool. And this is the room. Ignore the mess. We've just quickly unpacked, got ready. Everything's charging. Got everything on the go. And now we're just about to head out and head back down to the gig. We're walking down to the venue now. It is bitterly cold, but we're pretty excited. We're just heading down. There's the main square behind us.
And we've already seen the man himself.
We've already seen Michael C. Hall when he was going into the venue.
Away from us.
But we're heading down there now. We're just walking around to the venue now. My face is numb. God damn it, it's cold. Last night because it was so cold when we got back to the room. I just went straight to sleep, like trying to warm up. We just got an Uber back and just went to sleep. Now we've just come for breakfast at Cafe Wonder. I'm going to show you inside in a sec. This place looks amazing. Okay guys, we're all packed up. Everything's sorted now. All the bags, the desk's clean, bags are packed, Pam's ready to go. Just having one final check round, make sure everything is gotten. This was the bathroom, by the way. Shower, toilet, standard bathroom procedure. Nothing in there. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. Wasn't travel as such, but we did come to Glasgow to see that awesome band. View out of the window, obviously you've seen the time lapse from earlier, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.